We also call the generalization as a superclass over there. So an entity type that includes one or more distinct subgroupings of its occurrence over there. Subclass, a distinct subgrouping of occurrence of an entity type over there, right? So subclass is more specialized and superclass is a generalized one. So superclass relationship is a one-to-one relation. So how it is one-to-one relation, we will see through some examples so that it becomes more clearer to us. So superclass may contain overlapping or distinct subclasses over that. Not all members of superclass need to be a member of subclass over there. These are certain rules, and we will see how these rules are effective with respect to generalization and specialization over there. And did you study this in database one, or it is new for you?
I think, Doctor, it's new.
Yes.
It's new for you. Okay, right.
Yes.
So attribute inheritance. So an entity in a subclass represent same real world object as a superclass and may possess subclass specific attributes as well as those associated with a superclass. So sometimes you can attach some of the attributes which is generic to this generalization, but you cannot attach the attributes which is specialized to HR department or the sales department or to the marketing department over there. So specialization is a process of maximizing the differences between the members of entity by identifying their distinguishing characters over there, right? So where if there are more differences, then you have to go for specialization. Okay, but if the employees are the same, they are not specific to the department wise. So we don't need specialization. We just need employees. So employees, one entity is enough for us. But if we have a department, so one entity is not enough for us. We need a specialization for that one. Then, in case if we don't need less specialization, then we'll go for generalization. Okay. So the process of minimizing differences between the entities by identifying their common characteristics over there. Okay. So if there is a common characteristics that like, for example, employee's name, employee's ID, employee's address. So every employee, whether they are from HR department, whether they are from marketing department or sales department, all have the names and ID and address. So you can put these attributes in the specialization on the super class. Super class means in the upper class, employees class. Okay, but the commission, so the commission is specified to the sales department. So you cannot put the commission to the every employee, because every employee does not earn commission. Only the sales department or the marketing department, they have the commission. So the HR department, they don't have a commission. Maybe they have the bonuses for good performance if they have a good performance. So you can add attribute to the HR department as a bonuses.